Good day, everyone. This is Sir Marvy, and for today's topic, we will discuss solving quadratic equation by completing the square. So we have here our step. First, we need to write the equation in the form of ax squared plus bx is equal to c, where a must be equal to 1. If a is not equal to 1, then we need to divide the whole equation by the value of a. For our second step, we need to add each side of the equation the square of 1/2 of the new coefficient of x, or our linear term. Then, for our third step, we need to express the left-hand side of the equation as a square of binomial. For our fourth step, we need to extract the square root. And for our fourth step, of course, we need to solve for x and check the answers if we do have time. So next, so for our first example, we need to solve 2x squared plus 8x minus 10 is equal to 0 by completing the square. So for our example number 1, what is the value of a? So we have 2. Our condition is a must be equal to 1. Since a is equal to 2, we need to divide the equations, our equation by 2. Very good. So we need to divide 2, 2, 2. 2 divided by 2 will become x squared plus 8x divided by 2. This is simply 4x. Negative 10 divided by 2. This is also negative 5 is equal to 0. Now, for our step number 1, we need to write it in the form of ax squared plus bx is equal to c. So our constant must be on the right-hand side of our equation. So our equation will become x squared plus 4x is equal to 5. So now we are done with step number 1. So for our step number 2, from this equation, we need to find the linear term. And the linear term here is 4x. So sulat natin dito, we have 4x. The numerical coefficient of 4x is simply 4. 4 divided by 2, we need to get 1/2 of 4. This is simply 2. 4 divided by 2 is simply 2. And then we need to square. 2 squared is also 4. So 4 must be added both sides of the equation. So we have here x squared plus 4x. Again, we need to add 4 plus 4 is equal to 5. We need to add 4 both sides, so that is 5 plus 4. Now, for our step number 3, we need to write our left-hand side in the square of binomial. Ang square of binomial is ganito. That is quantity x plus k. And then, my square. Ito yung tinatawag nating square of binomial. Now, I taught you that there is a trick in getting the square of binomial. So we need to square x squared. It will become x. And then square the last term, which is 4. This is also, the square root of 4 is 2. Very good. And then, since ito yung format niya, we need to write 2. And then simplify the right-hand side. 5 plus 4 is simply 9. So for our step number 4, we need to extract the roots or the square roots. So the square root of quantity x plus 2 squared is simply, we will cancel this one. It will only become x plus 2. And then also we need to find the positive and negative square root of the right-hand side. It will become positive and negative 3. Very good. So next, we need to find the value of x. From this format, x plus 2 is equal to positive and negative 3. We need to solve or find the value of x. So we have x, lipat natin or i-transpose, or we need to add negative to both sides since this is positive. X is equal to positive and negative 3 minus 2. Since we have positive and negative 3, we will have two solutions. So x sub 1 is equal to positive 3 muna tayo. That is 3 minus 2, or simply x sub 1 is equal to 1. That's 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. And then for our x sub 2, we will get negative 3 minus 2 is simply x sub 2 is now equal to negative 5. Paano siya naging negative 5? Like signs, you simply add and then copy the sign. 3 plus 2, it's 5. And then parehas na lang negative, that is negative 5. For our first example, for the solution or roots of 2x squared plus 8x minus 10 is equal to 0, the solution or roots is equal to 1 and negative 5.